RG AgriDev Corporation started in the year 2000 by my father, Robert G. Eduardo. This year, we're celebrating our 26th year, and we're happy to share with you our achievements that we not only attained by ourselves, but with the help of our partners too. In our pursuit to provide high-quality crab meat worldwide, we made sure to attain recognition not only by our peers, but also from renowned food auditing companies.
RGE AgriDev Corporation has been accredited by BFAR since 2003 and a halal accredited establishment also. RGE AgriDev Corporation is also a accredited exporter in compliance of BRC Global Standard for Food Safety.
And because of this recognition, we were able to penetrate markets in Europe. Specifically, we were able to export to France, Spain, and Netherlands. In the Middle East, we were able to ship to Dubai. And in Southeast Asia, countries like Thailand, Singapore, and Hong Kong were also a client of RG AgriDev Corporation. Our crab meat products has reached a variety of clients. These include hotels, resorts, restaurants, airline caterers, and even supermarkets and groceries. Since these certifications are done regularly, it ensures us that our feed is on the ground, which translates to consistent product, and eventually these products that lands to your plate are safe, traceable, and fresh. As we strive to be excellent in our field, we've added safety measures in our process to deliver you the best product that you deserve. One of those measures is the use of X-ray machine. We believe that having this X-ray machine will give a peace of mind. We believe that this X-ray machine gives added confidence to suppliers and distributors and throughout the supply chain. Not only do we invest in technology or equipment, improving our structural plant, we also invest in our people.
Ang kagandahan lang sa RGE is very generous sa mga empleyado niya. So, even sa mga security guard, pag may mga blessings, it is shared sa all employees, including the security agency. So, yun ang nakaganda sa RGE na until now, nandito pa rin ako.
Nagsimula nung 2018 at na-retrench ako nung August 2020, nung kasagsagan ng pandemic. Tapos, nakabalik naman ako nung March 2021. Hanggang ngayon, I'm almost 5 years na dito sa RGE.
Nagpasalamat kog dako sa RGE nga niabot diri sa among isla nga sahaw. Kadako kay gikatabang labi na sa akong pamilya, sa akong mga anak nga karon na kahuman. O bisan tuod, bisag wa na si RGE tuloy gihapon gumikan sa pagduma sa iyang mga anak.
Malaking tulong ng RGE sa akin kasi nakapag-aaral ako ng kapatid ko hanggang sa nakapagtapos.
Usa ka trabahante sa RGE sugod sa 2000 hangtod karon 2026. Magpasalamat mig dako sa RGE kay dako gikatabang sa among pamilya. Bunad nakahuman akong anak gikan sa tong 15 years ni Agi nga nakahuman siya og high school, karon nakahuman nag-college, nakatrabaho na siya.
In RGE, we not only gave the marginalized sector opportunities for employment, but we also opened the doors for career advancement and promotion.
Ako si Alfredo. Nagtatrabaho sa RGE AgriDev Corporation simula 2014 hanggang 2023 at bumalik noong 2025. Meron akong isang anak na 17 years old. Sa pagtatrabaho ko sa RGE, natustusan ko ang pang-araw-araw na pagkain at pangbayad sa renta ng bahay at pag-aaral ng aking anak. Laking pasasalamat ko sa RGE.
I'm honored that I was entrusted by our fellow processors to take the lead role in contributing to the development of the crab meat industry of the Philippines. We thank the Department of Agriculture and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources for their continued partnership with RGE in protecting and promoting the local fishing industry. and providing livelihood to the local fishing communities.
O bisan tuod, bisag wa na si RGE, tuloy gihapon gumikan sa pagduma sa iyang mga anak. Kung wala pa ang RGE, ang among mga kababayan diri ug mga kalakinhan tuan ang langyaw sa laing dapit. Pero tuloy lang gihapon hangtod karon.
Nagsimula ako magtrabaho sa RGE since 2003. So, almost 23 years na ako and counting. And since I started working sa RGE, single pa ako that time. And ngayon, meron akong asawa at isang anak. So, I'm very grateful that part ako ng RGE success.
Ang goal kasi namin is pag dumating yung produkto sa customers, maging masaya sila.
I am Martin Eduardo. Together with the rest of my family and the RGE team, we are committed to continue the legacy of my dad, delivering the best crab meat to our customers all around the world. We look forward to growing together with you in the years to come as we provide the freshest seafood from the Orient.